Hi everyone and welcome to Johnny How To. So today's video is all about trying to cut back on the headaches and eye strain you get from staring at a computer monitor. And if you're a Windows 10 user, darken down that interface and sustain your productivity. The first thing we're going to adjust is Windows built-in color management. In order to do so, I'm going to go in and click on the Windows button or press the Windows key, type the word color and choose color settings from the top here. Once I have that up, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. There is an option for choose your default app mode, light or dark. If I go ahead and click on this, right away you can see that certain windows are going to turn a dark gray. The second thing we're going to add to our Windows system in order to address our internet browser is called Dark Reader. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this plugin or extension for Google Chrome. And I already do have it installed, but if you just click on add right here, what that's going to do is it's going to add this little icon right here that's of a regular guy when it's not enabled, but when it is enabled, it's going to turn into a little Darth Vader icon. And immediately you can see it's adjusted the colors to be a lot easier on the eyes. All right, so at this point we have most of the Windows interface taken care of, but the last thing is we're going to apply a custom theme that will darken down the rest of the interface. So I'm going to go ahead in Google and search for Gray Eve theme, and you can see this is a Windows 10 high contrast theme that someone created. You can go and click on the download button right here, and all you need to do to apply it is just go ahead and double click on the theme, and it's going to take a moment, but it's going to apply that theme to Windows and then spit you back out to the interface, and you'll have all of your colors adjusted. All right, so that just about wraps up this video. Hopefully what we've talked about today will really enhance your Windows 10 experience and kind of save you from some of that eye strain. Thank you very much everyone for watching, and I will see you on the next Johnny How To.